In this video, we'll show you how to correctly apply PTFE thread seal tape to a tapered pipe thread. Correct application of PTFE thread seal tape helps provide a reliable seal and reduces the risk of leakage or contamination. PTFE thread seal tape should only be used on male tapered pipe threads. Choose the correct tape width for the thread size. Before you begin, make sure the threads are clean and free of dirt, old sealant, or other residue. Starting at the first full thread, wrap the tape in the same direction. The fitting will be tightened. Keep the tape flat and apply 2 complete wraps. Cut the tape, then press the loose end firmly into the threads. Do not allow the tape to extend past the end of the fitting. This helps prevent loose tape from entering the fluid system. Insert the male fitting into the female connection and tighten it by hand. Then use the appropriate wrench or socket to complete the installation. Always follow the recommended torque for the thread size and never exceed the specified maximum torque. The installation is now complete.